Hi everyone, bonjour à tous! As part of one of my very first tutorials, I have made these cute fabric labels that aroused much interest. So I thought that I would share again this quick and easy technique in a separate video, since it's very useful for customizing your creations. We will need a scrap of non-extensible fabric in light shade, as well as a textile stamp like this one. If you are interested, I placed the link for you in the description box. Using the small tweezer sort of thing, we are going to place our letters in reverse, so our word will appear in the right way. A name, a wish, a love word, or just a few kisses, let your imagination run its course. Now we are going to trace and cut some stripes whose width is about 5 cm, depending of course on the length of your chosen word. Fold them right sides together. At 2.5 cm from the fold, I am tracing a line nice and clean. Japanese rulers like the one I have here are extremely useful for this kind of job. Now cut the fabric following the line and pin the labels. At a few millimeters from the edge on both sides, we are going to make a row of straight stitches, by hand or with a sewing machine. We can now trim the excess fabric and turn the labels right side out. You will probably need the tip of your scissors to go right to the corner, but watch that you are not too enthusiastic there, otherwise you might go through the fabric. And voila! To make it perfect, don't forget to press your labels before inserting them in one of your creations. Here in a lavender bag, here in a relaxing mask for meditation. I bought this stamp almost 10 years ago to use for my wedding, and it's been used and reused so much that I can't count how many lavender bags, favor bags or other handmade gifts I did personalize with it. Now tell me, what do you think about these cute and simple labels? Bye bye! À bientôt!